same way. Hold that. Yeah. Beautiful. Hold it. Got it. Go that side up. Oh yeah, it's gonna hang on somebody's ball. Nice. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to bring you up a little bit. I'm only going to get 3/4 shots. I'm only interested in what's below the belt. Okay?
What's below the belt?
What's above the belt?
Okay.
I'm going to focus on